Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can change Facebook profile to digital creator. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, tap on the profile icon at bottom right of your screen and this page will open up. Here, tap on the profile banner at the top and your profile page will be displayed. Now tap on the three dots icon beside the Edit Profile button and a menu will slide onto your screen. Inside it, scroll down to the bottom and select Turn on Professional Mode. Now tap on Turn On button at the bottom and the professional mode will be enabled. Here, if I refresh the page, you can see that my account is now converted into a professional one. That's how you can change Facebook profile to digital creator. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.